Hi, my name is Harshvardhan Chaturvedi and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today we are going to talk about MACT cannot reject accident claim petition citing failure to implicate owners or insurance of all vehicles involved in accident. Madras High Court. The claimant is entitled to sue both or any of the joint tortfeasors to recover the entire compensation for the accident because the liability of joint tortfeasors is joint and several, the court ruled. Madras High Court recently clarified that the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal (MACT) cannot decline to entertain accident claims petitions citing the failure of the claimants to implicate the owners or insurance of all the vehicles involved in the accident. In the case of K. Kanaki and others versus A. Jalauddin and others, replying on the Supreme Court's 2015 ruling in the case of Khenny versus New India Assurance Company Limited and others, Justice K. Murali Shankar noted that in case of composite negligence, the claimant is entitled to sue both or any of the joint tortfeasors to recover the entire compensation for the accident. This is because the liability of joint tortfeasor is joint and several. No doubt if all the parties and the owner and the insurer of both the vehicles involved in the accident are parties to claim petition, then it will be convenient for all and also for the tribunal to decide the liability. But the claimant, being the dominus litius, cannot be compelled to add another parties who are implicated earlier, and it is for the claimant to decide. And in case if the case put forth by the claimant as against the implicated parties is not true, then they have to suffer the dismissal of the petition, the judgment explained. The judges also found that a 2018 division bench decision of the Madras High Court in the Oriental Insurance Company Limited Kumbanam versus Thiruvannamalvasadam was passed without considering the Supreme Court's ruling in Khenny's case. Therefore, the 2018 High Court ruling was held to be per incurium and not having binding effect. The May 8 ruling was passed while allowing two revision petitions against the MACT's return of motor accident claims citing the failure to implicate the owner and insurer of two-wheelers involved in motor accidents. In one case, a lorry was alleged to have caused the accident by hitting the two-wheeler from behind. In other case, a car was alleged to have caused an accident through a similar collision with a two-wheeler. In both cases, the owner and the insurer of the two-wheelers were not implicated, whereas the owner and the insurer of the allegedly offending vehicles were implicated. The MACT cited the Madras High Court's 2018 ruling to return the claim petitions while directing the claims to first implicate the owner and the insurer for two-wheelers. In 2018 ruling, the High Court had directed tribunals in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry not to number any claim petitions without implicating other vehicle, which was also involved in the accident. Although direction was not applicable to hit and run cases where the tortfeasor could not be identified. Justice Murali Shankar in the present case concluded that this 2018 ruling was rendered without taking into consideration the Supreme Court's binding judgment in Khenny's case. It was also noted that the Khenny judgment was subsequently followed by another division bench of the High Court in United India Insurance Company Limited versus D. Hemawati and others. Further, the Tata AIG General Insurance versus Kaveri and others A High Court division bench had observed that not implementing the owners or user the other vehicle with disentitle the claims from getting compensation from the insurance company. Thank you.